Our words have the power to shape the life that unfolds before us. So, you must be conscious of the words you use daily, both towards yourself and towards others. Words are like the seeds that you plant in your soil. You can't plant an apple seed and expect oranges. You can't constantly talk about your problems to everyone and expect them to be solved. Here are 3 steps to control your words and change your life. First step. When you feel the urge to speak about your problems, recognize it, see it, and stop it. When you speak out that life is hard, you don't need someone else to defeat you. You defeat yourself with your words. If you're not feeling well, if you're not yet at your ideal weight, if you don't yet have the money you deserve, don't express it to everyone. Throw away that defeated identity and start changing the words you speak. Talk about the positives you already have in your life. Express your gratitude for your small achievements and begin to speak about yourself as you would about the life of a successful person. Understand that the words you speak affect not only the situations you will attract, but also your own body. People with incurable health issues have healed because they truly believed and proclaimed that they are healthy, that their bodies heal very quickly, and that God brings health to them. Second step, speak with respect and empathy to others. Don't put down others' achievements or say that their dreams and goals are too high. When you speak negatively about others, your own frequency drops. You lose energy and fill up with negative feelings. If people share their life stories with you, show interest in them and feel joy when you say words that make others feel happy. If they share their goals with you, encourage them that with the right effort and willpower, they can achieve them. Don't underestimate the power that words can have on a person. This will return to you in 2 ways. It will become habitual for you to speak encouraging thoughts, impacting both how you talk to yourself about success and how you speak to others. Know that we are all children of God and we are all connected. So, when you uplift others with your words, God will support you in achieving your own goals. Third step, use your words to achieve goals. When you want a change in your life, whether it's about health, meeting better people, achieving financial success, or attracting better situations into your life, use encouraging words, victory words, and say them to yourself throughout the day. This will move your life in the direction of your words. Use words that, when spoken, will make you feel joy. Involve God in your words. You might say, God helps me achieve my goal, or I know that God is guiding me on the right path. If you're talking to others about your goals, don't be afraid to speak up. You owe it to yourself to achieve your goals, and you must stop being afraid to become the person you want to be. Don't worry about others' opinions of you. They don't matter, and they cannot stop you. When you're working to achieve a difficult goal, remember that you're doing it for yourself and for the people you love. Believe that you deserve to achieve it. Speak victorious words, saying, "Through my persistence and with God's help, I will achieve this goal." If you're discussing a physical issue, affirm and express your condition by saying, "I am strong and healthy. What seems like a problem now will be just another story tomorrow." Control what you are saying. Don't give birth to negativity. Don't talk defeat to yourself or to others. Affirm yourself with victorious words that make you feel strong and happy, and believe that God is with you every step of the way. If you enjoy this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing. Remember, the power is in you.